Welcome to Agri Auto, where we turn raw potential into engineering excellence. Established in 1978, what began as a vision has evolved into a global manufacturing powerhouse serving clients across the world. Our strength comes from our diversity. We are an ecosystem of engineering excellence powered by three specialized divisions: precision gears, heavy forging flanges, and advanced agricultural machinery. The foundation of our capability lies in our massive infrastructure. Spread across multiple locations, we have created a seamless manufacturing network that combines the brute force of heavy industry with the finesse of modern technology. Our journey of engineering excellence begins with absolute precision in our gears division. From our cutting-edge machining hubs, we serve the world's leading automotive giants with high-volume production capabilities. Our facility is a showcase of advanced technology, featuring automated gear cutting and finishing systems. To ensure perfection, we verify every micron with world-class metrology and inspection equipment. This precision is matched by the sheer power of our Flanges division. In our state-of-the-art forge shops, we house some of the region's most formidable machinery. From robotic-assisted heavy presses to massive counterblow hammers, we possess the sheer capacity to forge critical components that support the global oil, gas, defense, aerospace, and infrastructure sectors. Our engineering DNA also extends to the fields that feed us. Leveraging our forging expertise, we build a comprehensive range of advanced farm equipment that empowers the agricultural heart of nations. By manufacturing our own heavy-duty gearboxes in-house, we deliver the durability that farmers trust season after season. Whether it is the roar of an engine, the flow of a pipeline, or the harvest of a field, Agri Auto is there. Agri Auto, engineering the world of tomorrow.